Yeah. Now, this little video is going to show you how to do a health and safety risk assessment. This is not to be mistaken for a health and safety checklist. That's the other video. Health and safety checklist tells you how to do the health and safety executive checklist. This is a health and safety risk assessment. It's a different thing. So, what goes into a health and safety risk assessment? Right. In this column here, what you have to do is think about what possible hazards there may be. So, for example, if you were filming in the studio, there's a burn hazard from the studio lights, because the studio lights, when they're on, get very hot. Right? So, burn hazard. Who's at risk? Well, the actors and the crew. Okay, of course, you. They're at risk. Control. What are you going to do about it? Well, I'm going to warn the models and the crew beforehand that they may get burned if they touch the lights. Severity of injury. So what could the severity of that injury be? Well, you might get a first degree, potentially you might even get a second degree burn. That's unlikely. Chance of that happening? Medium. It's unlikely, but it could happen. Additional control measures. Well, I tell you what, I'll turn the lights off when I'm not using them, so they don't get quite as hot. So you've got to look at where you're filming and think what the potential dangers are. Classics will be trip hazards, for example, tripping over trailing wires or uneven ground. It could be dangers associated with, in this sequence my actor's going to be running. Well, there's a hazard. They might fall over. Who's at risk? The actor. Controls. Tell them not to fall over. Severity of injury. Well, they might anything from grazes to breaks. Who knows? If you fall flat on your face and kill yourself, what's the likelihood of that happening? Not very high. So chance of injury, medium probably. Risk, medium. Additional control measures. Well, if there's a danger they might fall over, maybe I might put some gloves on so they don't hurt their hands, or maybe I might give them some knee pads, or some elbow pads, or something like that. Okay? So what you've got to do is you consider for every location where you're filming what could possibly go wrong. Okay? If you're filming on the street, there is some danger that they might get run over. But don't go overboard. You're not saying, well, there's a danger that an airplane might come out the sky and kill us all. That ain't going to happen, is it? Alright? So, be sensible, but be comprehensive. Alright? That's how you do a health and safety risk assessment. You need to do that for every location that you're going to use first. Okay? Any questions? You know where I am.